Opak! Gagawa naman ako today ng beef empanada. Yes! Very, very flaky at talaga namang napakasarap. For the filling, magpainit ng mantika sa kawali, ilagay ang sibuyas, bawang at ground beef. Igisa-gisa mo girl for all eternity. Saka mo isiso ng salt and pepper at maglagay ka na rin ng isang beef broth cube. Ilagay ang carrots and potatoes and of course ang ating green peas at bell peppers. Saka mo isiso ng light and dark soy sauce at oyster sauce. Ibuhos ang water lily, pakuluin at ilagay ang slurry, halu-haluin with all honesty at makuha mo ang correct consistency. For the dough, flour, sugar at salt, and of course ang ating grated butter, cold water, lamas-lamasin with love and devotion until maka-form ka ng dough. Ifo-flatten mo lang yan siya, ifo-fold mo several times at ilalagay sa ating cling wrap and let it sit in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Ganon. Pag kering-kering na yan siya, ifo-flatten mo lang ulit using the rolling pin, ika-cut mo into small equal circles at dyan mga ibabalot ang ating fillings. Sana lahat ng fillings na babalot. Charot! Balutin mo yan siya ng bonggang-bongga, isil, and then ilalagay natin sa ating baking tray, papahiran natin ng itlog or egg yolk sa ibabaw at i-bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. At pag kering-kering na yan siya, iserve na sa buong pamilya para pak na pak at bonggang-bongga.